Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix lights in the Intruder Roblox. Let's get into it. First, notice when the lights go out. Look at your game screen, listen for a loud click sound, or notice when all the lamps in your room turn completely pitch black. Stop looking at your desk papers and get ready to leave your safe chair immediately. You have to watch for this dark event so you can react before the timer runs out. Without this step, you would just be sitting in the dark room waiting for the monster to find you instead of fixing your house. Next, click the main power switches. Now you need to interact with the switch to send the electricity back to the rooms. Make sure a single switch moves from the off position up to the on position. By clicking the switches back up, you clear out the blackout error and complete the circuit. It is the key step because the lights will stay completely broken until every single switch is flipped. Next, check the room and hide safely. The final step is to walk back to your desk or quickly run to your hiding spot. Check that the darkness is gone and jump into the closet. Close the closet door tightly and stay completely quiet until you hear the monster walk away from your room. Because turning on the lights makes a lot of noise and draws the monster straight to your location. Once you finish flipping the switches, your house is bright again, but you must hide immediately to stay alive. Now your light repair task is fully done and you are safe. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.